Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get 4K CapCut quality. Now let's begin. Right here you can see that I have a video on my timeline. So let us now try to add effects. You can find effects on the top corner. Let's click on it and go to video effects. From video effects, we scroll down and go to cartoon. Now we need to select the effect named as black and white sketch. Click and drag it to the timeline, adjust it to the length of the video. Now let us search for blur on the video effects. You can drag it to the timeline once again and adjust its length to that of the video. Now let us export it. Keep the settings as it is. Let's export. Now that the video is exported, let's cancel it and delete the black and white sketch filter. Now again, let's go to video effects and cartoon. After that, let's search for neon. Let's click and drag it to the timeline again, adjust its length to that of the video, and again, let's export. It's also exported. Let's hit cancel. And now let us delete all these filters. And now on the media, let's import the exported videos right now. I have imported the two videos. Now let us drag them to the timeline. Now what I need to do is select the video, and on the top right corner you will find the menu bar. And on the blend mode, we need to select color burn. Set the opacity to 30, and again for the video below, do the same thing. Select blend mode as color burn and opacity to 30. Now on the menu bar, next to filters, you will find adjustment. Let's click on it and add a custom adjustment. Let's click and drag. Now let's try to do some adjustments. Let's scroll down and sharpen. You can sharpen up to 30. It looks good. Now let's try to experiment around with the brightness, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows, whites, blacks, and illumination. Now let's try to compare the clips with the previous video. But first of all, I'm going to try to create a compound clip. And I'm going to show you a comparison between the previous video and now. You guys can spot the difference clearly. And now let's export it. I'm going to delete this video. Let's go to export. Let's select the resolution as 4K and frame rate to 60 FPS. Now let us export. Now as you can see, the video has finally exported. Now let's look at the video. And this is the end result. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for any queries, do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.